Have you ever stopped to think about what happens to nutrients in the soil? It's not magic, it's microbes. These tiny, invisible organisms are the master recyclers of our planet, constantly working to break down and transform essential elements so that plants, and ultimately us, can thrive. Today we're diving deep into the microscopic world of microbial nutrient cycling. Let's get started. First up, the big one, nitrogen. Our atmosphere is nearly 80% nitrogen gas, but plants can't use it in that form. That's where nitrogen-fixing bacteria come in. They convert atmospheric nitrogen into ammonia, a process called nitrogen fixation. Think of them as tiny fertilizer factories. Other microbes then take over, turning ammonia into nitrites and then nitrates through nitrification. Plants love nitrates. And when plants and animals die, decomposers get to work, breaking down organic matter and returning nitrogen back to the soil in a process called ammonification. Finally, denitrifying bacteria convert nitrates back into nitrogen gas, completing the cycle. It's a perfect, self-sustaining loop, all powered by microbes. Next, let's talk about phosphorus. Phosphorus is crucial for DNA, RNA, and energy transfer in cells. Unlike nitrogen, it doesn't have a gaseous phase. Most phosphorus is locked up in rocks and sediments. So how do plants get it? Again, it's our microbial friends. Certain bacteria and fungi are amazing at solubilizing phosphate, meaning they release enzymes that dissolve rock phosphate, making it available for plant uptake. They act like microscopic miners, unlocking this vital nutrient. When organic matter decomposes, these microbes mineralize the organic phosphorus, returning it to the soil for the next generation of plants. Now for sulfur. Sulfur is a key component of some amino acids and proteins. Just like with nitrogen, microbes are central to its cycle. Some bacteria can oxidize sulfur compounds, turning them into sulfate, which is the form most plants can absorb. When organisms die, decomposers break down sulfur-containing proteins, releasing hydrogen sulfide. You might know this compound by its lovely rotten egg smell. Other bacteria then convert this back into elemental sulfur or sulfate, ready to be used again. There are even microbes that thrive in deep-sea volcanic vents using sulfur as their primary energy source. How cool is that? What about potassium, calcium, and magnesium? While their cycles are a bit simpler and more dominated by geology and chemistry, microbes still play a vital supporting role. Potassium is abundant in soil minerals, but much of it is trapped within crystal structures. Specific bacteria can weather these minerals, slowly releasing potassium ions that plants can absorb. Similarly, as microbes decompose organic matter, they release stored calcium and magnesium back into the soil, replenishing the available pool for plants. They are the ultimate helpers, ensuring no nutrient goes to waste. Now, what's really fascinating is that none of these cycles happen in isolation. They are all interconnected. For example, the microbes responsible for nitrogen fixation need phosphorus and sulfur to build their own cells and enzymes. The efficiency of one cycle directly impacts the others. It's a complex, beautifully balanced web of interactions. A healthy soil microbial community ensures all these cycles are running smoothly, creating a fertile environment for plants to grow. So, why does all this matter? Well, it has huge implications for agriculture and our environment. For centuries, farmers have intuitively managed these cycles by adding manure or rotating crops. Modern agriculture often relies on synthetic fertilizers, but these can be costly and have environmental downsides, like nutrient runoff into our waterways. By understanding and promoting a healthy soil microbiome, we can move towards more sustainable farming practices. Techniques like using cover crops, reducing tillage, and applying compost can boost these natural microbial processes, improving soil health, reducing the need for chemical inputs, and growing healthier food. It's a win-win for our farms and our planet. So, the next time you look at a lush forest or a productive farm, remember the unseen army of microbes working tirelessly beneath the surface. They are the true engines of our ecosystems, cycling the very elements that make life on Earth possible. Thanks for joining me on this microscopic journey today. If you found this interesting, don't forget to hit that like button. And subscribe for more deep dives into the wonders of the natural world. See you next time.